What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of flipping through endless physical flashcards or paying for subscription services just to study effectively, you've clicked on the right video. Today we're doing a deep dive into Knowt, a completely free AI study tool that promises to turn your notes and textbooks into learning magic. Is it actually worth your time in 2025? We're going to find out together, so stick around. Right off the bat, Knowt presents itself as a powerful and free alternative to other study platforms. The core idea is brilliantly simple. You can import your existing sets from Quizlet directly, or you can create your own flashcards and notes from scratch. But where it really gets interesting is with its AI features. You can literally just upload a PDF of your textbook chapter or paste a chunk of text, and their AI will instantly generate a set of flashcards and practice questions for you. The platform offers 4 main study modes: Learn, Flashcards, Practice Test, and Match Game. The Learn mode is their smart version of spaced repetition, designed to help you retain information long-term by quizzing you more frequently on the things you get wrong. The Practice Test mode is incredibly valuable for exam preparation, generating a custom test from your material. It's all very intuitive and feels like having a personal study assistant that's available 24/7. Now let's talk about the biggest positive, the price. It's free. In a world where most serious study tools are hiding behind a paywall, Knowt offers its core AI features, the flashcard generation and the study modes, without costing you a dime. That is a huge advantage for students on a budget. The ability to import Quizlet sets is also a smooth transition for anyone looking to migrate away from that platform. However, it's not all perfect. The negative side often comes down to the AI itself. While the auto-generation is impressive, it's not always 100% perfect. Sometimes the questions it creates might be a bit too simplistic or might occasionally misinterpret a complex concept from your notes. You absolutely have to review the generated material to check for accuracy and add your own personal touch. It's an amazing starting point, but it doesn't completely replace the nuance of creating your own study guides from the ground up. Another point to consider is the user interface. While functional, it might feel a bit less polished compared to some established competitors, but it gets the job done effectively. So is Knowt worth it in 2025? Absolutely. Despite some very minor quirks with the AI's accuracy, the sheer value of getting a robust set of AI-powered study tools for free is almost unbelievable. It dramatically cuts down on study prep time, and if you're a student looking to maximize your efficiency without breaking the bank, you absolutely need to give Knowt a try. It's a legitimately powerful tool that deserves a spot in your academic arsenal. Thanks for watching. If you found this overview helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech and study tools. Let me know in the comments what you want me to check out next. See you in the next one.